Hey everyone, welcome back. The last time you saw this truck, we installed this Putco grill insert in the lower grill of this 2019 Ford Ranger. And today we're going to do another very easy mod to the Ford Ranger. We're going to install this OEM engine cover, which will hopefully provide a little bit of extra protection for the coil packs and injectors that are on the top of the valve cover. So a little background on these engine covers. Most Ford Rangers don't come with one. So I've been told only the upper trim FX4s will get this cover, or I should say an upper trim Ranger with the FX4 off-road package gets one. Maybe for that reason, for extra protection for dust or anything else getting on top of the engine, I don't know. Or maybe to reduce NVH, noise, vibration, or harshness. Not sure, but this part, very easy install. You only need a couple simple tools and a few parts. So stick around and we'll show you how to install this cover on the engine of your 2019 or newer Ford Ranger. There are 3 mounting points for the engine cover on top of the engine. The first one is this threaded hole right here at the very front of the valve cover. The second mounting point is in this area where you have the 2 holes kind of raised above the rest of the valve cover, and we'll be using the front of these 2 holes. And the third point is the ball for like a ball and socket mount that will snap into the cover itself. To install the engine cover, there are 2 types of fasteners you'll need. First will be these hex nuts. And here is the part number. Then you'll need 2 of these studs with a captured nut and washer on them. And here is the part number for those. Last but not least, the engine cover itself. And to install the cover, you'll want the Ford logo facing towards the front of the truck. And it's easy to see because your oil dipstick, and fill cap will be visible in the one opening in the cover. The tools you'll need to install the engine cover are a 13mm wrench or socket to tighten down the nut that's on the studs, and a 10mm socket for the nuts. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to install the studs, and I like to put a little bit of anti-seize compound on any of these threads I put in. That was too much. And in the illustration on the Ford website, it does show the both washers on the stud going down towards facing the engine cover. So the next step is pretty simple. We're just going to snap on the cover by aligning the inserts with the studs, and also making sure we align the socket mount with this ball stud here. There we go. So you may need to just very gently push this line aside a bit just to get the cover to slide on, but it's on the socket mount and it's on the 2 studs. So the last and final step is to install and tighten down the 2 hex nuts. Again, we'll just dab on a little bit of the anti-seize. Probably don't need much. Put it right near the bottom of the threads because these nuts do have the nylock feature on them, so we only put the anti-seize on the bottom threads before the nylock engages.